Today we discuss about here electric potential due to system of charge. Electric potential due to system of charges. Electric potential due to system of charges determined on the basis of superposition principle. According to superposition principle of electrostatic potential, net potential at any point is algebraic sum of electric potential due to individual charges. Now here we take n discrete charges q1, q2, q3 and qn, and r1, r2, r3 and rn are the distances of charges from P, where we have to find net potential. So now here we take this one is the Q1, this one is the Q2, this one is the Q3 and this one is the Q1. Here point P, where we have to find the electric potential due to system of charges. Here n charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q1, and distance of Q1 to P is R1, distance of Q2 to P is R2, and the distance of Q3 to P is R3, and the distance of Qn to P is Rn. Since electric potential is a scalar quantity, hence there is no need of direction. That means there is no use of vector addition. According to principle of superposition, net potential at P due to system of charges Vp is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus Vn. Now potential due to Q1 at P, V1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. This one is the expression of electric potential due to point charge. Now Q1 is the point charge, Q2 is also point charge, Q3 is also point charge, and the Qn is also point charge. Now potential due to Q2 at P, what is the value here? V2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2. Now here finally write the expression potential due to Qn at P, Vn is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn by Rn. Now we substitute the values of V1, V2, Vn, Vn in this expression. We get electric potential due to system of charges. Now Vp is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by r1, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 by r2, and 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by rn. Now Vp, here we take common, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, here q1 by r1, q2 by r2 plus qn by rn. Now here Vp is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught summation I goes to n qi ri. This one is the expression for electric potential due to system of charges. Now here next topic is the electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. Energy is always measured by work done. Hence, to define the electric potential energy, here we take work done. How to define electric potential energy? Electric potential energy of a system of charge in any electric field is defined as amount of work done to bringing charges from infinity to their respective positions. Again here we repeat, electric potential energy of a system of charge in an electric field is defined as amount of work done to bringing charges from infinity to their respective positions. So now here we take three cases. This one is the case 1, electric potential energy due to two charge system. If there is no external field present, that means in this case there is no any external field. Now here we take 2 points. This one is the point A, this one is the point B, and the separation between both point is R12. Now here we have to form a system of two charge. Since there is no field, that means external potential is 0. That means external potential is 0. So now here V external is equal to 0 at A, as well as V external is equal to 0 at B. To define electric potential energy, here we take a point where potential is 0. That means infinity. At infinity there is no any external force, there is no potential, that means no energy. That means this is the origin of energy. Here energy is also 0. First we bringing charge q1 from infinity to point A. First we bringing charge q1 from infinity to point A. Then what is the amount of work? Since there is no external field, hence potential at A, VA is equal to 0, then work done to bringing charge Q1 from infinity to A, W1 is equal to Q1 VA, that means Q1 into 0 gives 0. But when charge Q1 at A, then it produced a field. When charge Q1 at A, then it produces an electric field, and in this electric field B present. That means at B there is a potential due to charge Q1. Electric potential due to Q1 at B, VB is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. So now here a potential VB is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R12. Now we bringing charge Q2 from infinity. Then what is the amount of work done? Since at B there is a potential VB is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12 and charge Q2 bringing from infinity, hence there is a work done W2 is equal to Q2 VB. Now work done to bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to B. W2 is equal to Q2 VB. Now we substitute the value of VB. Now here W2 is equal to Q2 into 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R12, or W2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. Hence net work done to form system W is equal to W1 plus W2. W1 is equal to 0 and the value of W2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12. Now here W is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This work is stored in form of electric potential energy. Now electric potential energy U is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This one is the expression for electric potential when there is no any external field present. That means in this case only two charges Q1 and Q2 bringing from infinity to point A and B. If there is an external field present, now here let xy plane. This one is the origin. Here 2 point P and Q. Let position vector of P is R1 and the position vector of Q is R2, and a vector from P to Q is vector R12. Now here is infinity. At infinity, electric potential is 0. Since here electric field present, that means there is a external source charge present. This external source charge taken at origin here. This one is the source charge. Let V R1 is the potential at P due to source charge, and VR2 is the potential at Q due to source charge, that means external field. So now here VR1 is a potential due to source charge, and VR2 is a potential at Q due to source charge. So now here VR1 and here VR2. Now we bringing a charge Q1 from infinity to point P. This one is the Q1. What is the amount of work done? Since here potential is present, since here field is present, that means this field opposed to this charge, hence we have to work done. Since at P potential is VR1, hence work done to bringing charge Q1 from infinity to P. W1 is equal to Q1 VR1. Work done is equal to QV. Work done is equal to product of charge and potential. Now Q1 present at P. That means this Q1 produced a potential at Q also. This VR2 is a potential due to this source charge. When Q1 comes from infinity to P, that means this Q1 produced a potential at P also. Let V1 is the potential at Q due to P1, due to Q1. That means V1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. What is the value of net potential at Q? There is a two potential. First one is the VR2 due to source charge, and the second one is the V1 due to Q1. That means net potential at Q V dash is equal to VR2 plus V dash. That means VR2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. Hence work done to bringing bringing charge Q2 from infinity to point Q, W2, here Q2 V dash. Now substitute the value of V dash here. What is the value of V dash? VR2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R12. Now here we substitute VR2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R12. Now here Q2V R2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12. Hence, net work done to form system of two charges Q1 and Q2. Hence, net work done to form system W is equal to W1 plus W2. What is the value of W1? Q1 VR1 plus what is the value of W2? Q2 VR2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12. This work is stored in form of electric potential energy. Hence, electric potential energy of system of charges U is equal to Q1 V R1 plus Q2 V R2 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12. This one is the expression. Now here next topic what is the electric potential due to three charge system. Electric potential due to three charge system if there is no external field present. Now here we take 3 points. This one is the point A, this one is the point B, and this one is the point C. Let separation between AB is R12, separation between AC is R13, and the separation between B and C is R23. To derive the expression for electric potential energy, first we choose origin of energy. Since energy at infinity is 0, hence infinity is the origin of energy. So now here we take origin where energy is 0. Now first we bringing a charge Q1 at A. Since there is no any external field, that means there is no any external charge, hence there is no repulsion to bringing Q1 from infinity to at A, hence there is no work done. Since there is no external field, hence work done to bringing charge q1 from infinity to a is W1 q1 into 0 is equal to 0. When q1 present at a, what happens here? If q1 present at a, that means charge present at a, then it produced potential at b as well as produce a potential at c. Let V1 is the potential at B due to Q1. That means V1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R12. Let V1 dash is the potential at C due to Q1. Here V1 dash 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge is Q1 and potential due to Q1 at C, that means divided by separation between Q1 and C is R13. So now here R13. So now here potential is V1, here potential is V1 dash. Secondly, we bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to B. If this charge Q2 bringing from infinity to B, then charge Q1 repel to charge Q2. Hence we have to work done. Now work done to bringing charge Q2 from infinity to B, W2 is equal to Q2 into V1. Now we substitute the value of V1. Value of V1 is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. So now here 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. Now here 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This one is the W2. Now here Q2 present at B, hence Q2 also produce a potential at C. That means at C there are two potential due to Q1 and potential due to Q2 also here. Now potential at C due to Q2 is V2. V2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 and the separation is R23. Hence net potential at C is V is equal to V1 dash plus V2. That means here what is the value of V1? Value of V1 is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R13. And what is the value of V2? Value of V2 is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R23. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R23. Hence work done to bringing charge Q3 from infinity to C. Now we are bringing a charge Q3 at C. This one is the Q3. Now this became a system of three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3, and at C net potential is V1 dash and V2. Now work done to bringing charge Q3 from infinity to C is W3 is equal to Q3 V, that means Q3 V1 dash plus V2. Now substituting here value V1 dash plus V2, V1 dash plus V2 gives this value. So now W3 is equal to Q3 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R13 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R23 now here W3 is equal to, here we open the bracket, then Q3 multiplied here and Q3 multiplied here. So now 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3, Q1 is here, Q3 is here. When Q3 comes in bracket, then this became Q1 and Q3 and the separation is R13. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now Q3 multiplied with Q2, that means Q2, Q3 R23. Again here we repeat, there is no any external field present here. That means if we bringing a charge Q1 from infinity to A, there is no work done because there is no any external field present. If Q1 comes at A, then it produced potential at B as well as potential at C. Potential due to Q1 at B is equal to V1 and the potential due to Q1 at C is equal to V1 dash. Now we bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to B, then there is a work done. Here work, that means W2. Here W1 is equal to 0. For point A work done is 0 and for point B W2 is equal to Q2 V1. And if Q2 at B, then this Q2 also produce a potential V2 at C. Then W3 is equal to Q3 multiplied by V1 dash plus V2. Now here net work done to form this system is W1 plus W2 plus W3. Now net work to form system W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Now substituting the value of W1, W2 and W3. W1 is equal to 0. W2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12 and W3 is here. So now 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 R13 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 R23. It is very easy to learn this expression. Here Q1 Q2 R12, Q1 Q3 R13 and Q2 Q3 R23. This work is stored in form of electric potential energy of system. Hence, electric potential energy of system U is equal to W. That means here 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught common in both all terms. So now here 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon are taken common. Here q1 q2 by r12. Here q1 q3 by r13 and q2 q3 is r23. So this one is the expression for potential energy. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 r12 q1 q3 r13 and q2 q3 r23. So this one is the expression for potential energy of three charge system. In 12 course for three charge system, derivation for there is no electric field, there is no external electric field present. In PDF there are two numericals. First numerical is 3 point charges are arranged at the three vertices of triangle as shown in figure. Calculate the electrostatic potential energy of system. PDF numerical 1. Now here is a given equilateral triangle. Here plus q charge, here plus 2q charge, and here minus 4q charge, and the separation is 0.3 meter, 0.3 meter, and 0.3 meter, and the value of q is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Since it is the system of three charge, and here we have to calculate the work done or electric potential energy of this system. Now electric potential energy of three charge system, U is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 r12 q1 q3 r13 and q2 q3 r23. Now here given that q1 is equal to plus q, q2 is equal to plus 2q, and q3 is equal to minus 4q, and r12 0.3 meter, r23 0.3 meter, and r13 is also 0.3 meter. Now substituting the values of q1, q2, q3 and r12, r23 and r13 in this expression, we get result here. U is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is the value of q1? Q2 is 2q divided by 0.3. Value of q1 is q, and the value of q3 is minus 4q divided by 0.3, and the value of q2 is 2q, and the value of q3 is minus 4q divided by 0.3. Now solve this. 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here 0.3 is common in each terms. So now here this one is the 2q square minus 4q square minus 8q square. This one is the 19 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 3, and here 2q square minus 12q square. 2q minus 12q square gives minus 10q square. Now this one is a 30 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by minus 10 q square. This one is a minus 300 into 10 to the power 9, and here q square, and the value of q is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. So now here 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 square. 300 into 10 to the power 9. This one is a 3 3s are 9 into 10 to the power minus 14. This one is a minus 2700. 9 3s are 27. And this one is the 10 to the power minus 14 and a 9. This give 10 to the power minus 5. Here minus 2.7 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 5. That means minus 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. This one is the answer. Now here second numerical in PDF. There is a 2-point charges, a system of 2-point charge. Here is a, here is a B, and here 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, and here minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. And the separation between both charges is 20 centimeter. There are two segments. In first segment, here we have to found where net potential is 0, where net potential due to system is 0. So now here we take a point P where net potential is 0. This one is the x, and this one is the 20 minus x. Since at P net potential is 0, that means V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. What is the value of V1? V1 is the potential at P due to charge Q1. Charge Q1 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8. And V2 is the potential due to charge Q2. Q2 is equal to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 at P. So now what is the value of V1? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, that means 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by x, and plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 20 minus x is equal to 0. So now here we take common 10 to the power minus 8, 4 pi epsilon naught, here 5 by x plus here minus 2 divided by 20 minus x is equal to 0. Now here 5 by x minus 2 divided by 20 minus x, 5 by x is equal to 2 divided by 20 minus x. Now we cross multiply here. What happens? This multiplied by this gives 100 minus 5x, and this multiplied by this give 2x. So now here 100 is equal to 7x, that means 7x is equal to 100, that means 100 by 7. This gives result 14.29 centimeter. And in this numerical there is a second part. Also calculate the electrostatic potential energy of system. So this one is the two charge system. This one is the two charge system, and there is no any external field present here. So now electric potential energy of two charge system is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. substituting the value 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 multiplied by minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the separation between charges is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. So now we convert into meter. In this case, if we convert x into meter, that means here 10 to the power minus 2, here 10 to the power minus 2, and the 10 to the power 2 minus become common, and the same result here found. Here 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now solve this, we get minus 4.5 into 10 to the power 5 joule.